because he hasn't even woken up yet for Santa Claus. It's going to be a bit dark now.
Oliver. Oliver.
Oops.
Oliver. Santa Claus came.
Yeah.
Yeah. Santa Claus came.
I want a present now. Here now.
We should
Come and have a look at the tree. Come and have a look.
Hey,
Go
look.
presents on there.
And he ate all the biscuits and cookies. Oliver. Look at the biscuits. Have a look.
Oh.
And he left the key there too, Oliver. And he drank all the milk. Wow.
I'm a good boy.
Yeah.
Come
Look.
here. Little cat. I'm a present. And I'm a good boy.
You're a good boy, yeah. Look at all the stuff he left you, Oliver.
Yeah.
See?
I'm a big boy, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, Oliver.
Merry Christmas.
Can I have a kiss?
And close cake. And that door. Front door.
No, the back door.
No, the front door he came in with the
Yeah,
key.
front door. And the company inside. Going here. Sleep.
Did you hear him, Oliver, last night?
I put order here. And we go to
Should we see if the reindeer ate the carrot? Come on, let's go. Did he eat the carrot?
yeah.
Look, and he drank all the water, Oliver.
Oliver, look.
Look, Bella. That's my bell. Look at our bleed.
I believe.
Yeah.
It came off Santa's sleigh, Oliver.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's very nice.
Oh, Oliver, you're lucky. Look, he must have hit a tree or something and it came
Look,
off.
there's a branch. You know? Look. I can't.
Wow, Oliver.
Show me.
Look.
Beso. Beso. Beso.
That's like Labyrinth. He lost his belt.
He lost his
Yeah.
belt. You.
That's like a pole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, Oliver. I believe. You've got that bell now. You can keep that forever.
Don't leave it outside.
No, don't leave it outside.
Have to leave it inside. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's very special, Oliver. It's very special.
It's really special.
It's really special, see?
Wow. Maybe you could hang it on the tree, Oliver, as a decoration.
But I can also put one person inside in there. Now?
Yeah.
Oh, what's inside?
What's that?
Let's have a look. What's that, Oliver?
I don't know. Inside.
I think you have a look in it.
Um,
And you turn the end.
and put the eye inside. And then turn it like that.
Does it look nice?
It's
Can I have a look?
You can.
Thank you.